Hello YouTube and welcome to my channel. My name is Danon. If you're here, you're for the hats and not for my video making abilities. If you've seen any of my previous ones, I do apologize, but I'm working on it to get better. So if some of you are curious about how these hats actually look up close, I'm going to take this opportunity to show you exactly kind of what I got put into this build. For instance, this Coors Light hat right here. If you make one out of a normal Coors Light box, the logo will be upside down. So I was actually able to peel the label off, re-adhere it onto a different cardstock, and make this beautiful hat. As you can see, it has stitching. I have black piping around the outside. On the inside I have an elastic strap that makes it very comfortable and allows it for that one size fits most. Another unique feature to my hats are the metal eyelets on the sides of the hat. That kind of helps tidy things up and gives it a nice clean look. The visors are constructed in the same way. I have stitching around the edges. I have Velcro on the back. They're lined with a felt liner for a sweatband. I mean, that just looks too cool. If you are new to the channel and you haven't checked out my Headstrong Hats Facebook page, please go there and you can check out all my artwork and see the builds that I've done over the years. So that's just a couple of the projects that I have going on right now. I've got some more in the works. I got some real creative ideas that I've been approached with, and I think you're gonna like them. So please like and subscribe so that you can follow me on my journey of making these hats out of all sorts of different material, and so that you can learn all the tips and tricks to make your own cowboy hats and visors out of cardboard boxes.